So guys, Jason, welcome back to another YouTube video. Sorry, excuse my voice, I'm a little sick. But another daily recap for the day. And today I made a couple of mistakes that I should not have made. And maybe I shouldn't have traded today because I barely got any sleep last night. But I'm not gonna use it as an excuse at all. But I barely got any sleep last night because I am sick. I'm just coughing throughout the whole night. So waking up for market open, and I am in Cali, so I do gotta wake up at 6 or before 6:30, and I was a little tired, but my mind was not fully there. I would say I was not really concentrated today, but yet again, it's not an excuse. I should have been more focused, been more concentrated, and just have a clearer mind. But going to market, I marked that London low, and I marked out this liquidity on top, and then the new week opening gap. We were right here before market open, around this area. Oh, I'm on the 12-minute chart. What the fuck? Why is it like that? Okay, yeah, we're right here before market open. I already like set in my mind that London low is probably gonna stay intact because it got sponsored by a 1 hour fair value, 1 hour fair value gap and a 4 hour fair value gap down here too. So I thought that London low was gonna stay intact, and it did, but I got unconfident around this time. So market open, we bought up a lot, 171 points in the first like 15 minutes. Took out two objectives, which was the buy side liquidity and then the new week opening gap. And then this is actually the first trade that I saw that I was hesitant to take because I don't like taking trades before before the first 15-minute candle. I usually wait around 15 minutes. But looking back at it, I should have taken a low size. Yet again, I was a little bit not focused. I should have taken this trade. Realistically, I should have been able to risk it and take the trade. But this is the trade that I saw to this liquidity. I marked it out in real time actually, but I just didn't take it because I was scared. I was not thinking straight. Yeah, I should have taken this. We inversed the important fair value gap with displacement creating fair value gaps on the way down, and even this would have been a good entry too. The CISD and then the fair value gap. This would have been an amazing entry too, and maybe my stop could have been like right there. Honestly, a short that I should have taken, but sadly I did not take it. And then this is where I made the mistake. So this is a trade I actually took, this long right here. So after we bought up, we rebalanced back down. 10 a.m. news brought us down more. So 10 a.m. candle opened lower, and then once we inverse this fair value gap right here, the important fair value gap, I was looking for longs, and I don't know why, but I hopped on the 50-second chart. Tell myself not to hop on the 50-second chart as much because it's just too much noise. I don't really like it. And then I entered right here. Once we inverse the 15-second fair value gap right here, this is where I entered, and I was targeting buy side liquidity, of course. But then while I was staying on the 50-second chart, I doubted myself. I was micromanaging my position, which I never wanted to do. That's one of my biggest problems that I'm trying to overcome. I haven't done it in a long time, in like around like a week or two of trading. Once I'm in a trade, I set my stop loss, I set my take profit, or I manage my take profit, and then I just leave it until it hits my stop loss or I go break even. I try not to micromanage as much because I think it ultimately leads to failure, and that is what led to my failure today. So I bought in, I was in this trade, then I saw this massive push down, and I got scared. And then what really made me scared is ES. We were right here at ES. This is London low. We were so close to taking out London low on ES. I thought we were going to take it out and then leave an SMT between NQ and ES. I don't know why I was thinking this. I knew London low was going to stay intact, and there was a possibility that it should not have got taken out anyways. But ES is so close. I was doubting my decision into the trade, and I exited my position. Once we came down to here, I manually exited out my position for like a $150 loss. I forget, but then yeah, once I exited out, we rebalanced back up, and I entered a short right after, which is another thing I should have not done. I don't like entering trades after I lose a trade. I like waiting a little bit. I don't like entering right away, but yet again, I was not thinking straight. I was not in the right mind, but yet not an excuse. I just need to learn these. I just need to learn my mistakes and then move forward. But yeah, enter trade, set my stop loss here, and then I got stopped out, and I hit my loss limit of $400. But it was like 370. I don't know. It got me out. It got me out earlier, so I'm down 300 for the day. Very disappointed in my trading today. First, not having enough confidence to take this trade, and not sticking with my plan, because if I stuck with this plan, this would have been an amazing trade. If I exit replay mode, this would have been a perfect trade up to buy side. I honestly expected us to reach the 1 hour fair value gap, which is right here today, and then we hit it. Like, this is a perfect trade. Low of day. This is just like perfect. I'm really disappointed that I got scared and doubted myself. But it's okay. Lost the minimum today. Just come back tomorrow and hopefully make it back and follow my rules tomorrow. But yeah, a lot of mistakes I need to get better at. And yeah, that's about it for today. Yeah, thanks for watching.